Hello, my lovely students. Once again in speaking session, it's another day, it's another speaking challenge. Actually, we're talking about 30-day plan of English speaking, and it's almost half and more days have been spent on our daily conversation. Almost 10 or 12 more days are left, then our 30 days will be completed, and afterward we will analyze how many things we learn from daily English speaking challenge and what kind of drawbacks it has and what kind of potential techniques should be more for improving ourselves, particularly in English speaking challenge. So it's another day. You have no any kind of potential, if you have no techniques, how you can find out the solution of particular things in your life. Like if you have no vocabulary, if you have no authenticity, if you have no idea how I can speak in a better way, how can I indulge myself in a good way, then what kind of techniques, what kind of ideas you should be in your minds. Lot of question arises in your mind, but there is no proper solution of those questions. Then what you have to do, and what kind of techniques, what kind of ideas, and what kind of motivation you should get from this, and how you can come out from the difficult situation. Like if I am speaking with you, might be I am facing lot of problem, I am facing lot of challenges when I trying to speak with you, but I am speaking again and again with you. I am trying to give new ideas on daily basis, but if I will give up, if I will fed up, then it's very tough for me to survive in this world, as well as if I wanted to improve my speaking skill, then it's very hard to indulge myself. So what I have to do, how we can come out from difficult situation, then we should take a pause, we should take a break, we should think on it. Afterward we analyze that what are the key points should be in our mind when I am trying to speak with anybody. Lot of people came in your life, they try to give you new things, but you are not getting most of the things in your life. What is the problem you are facing in your daily conversation as well as in speaking? Lot of question arises in your mind, but I think we have to speak on daily basis, we have to indulge ourselves, and we try to indulge maximum in speaking skill. Like if I make a routine, if I am indulging myself on regular basis, then nobody revoke me in the way of your progress. So what I have to do, I have to motivate myself on daily basis, I have to indulge myself on regular basis. Like if I am receiving criticism through my videos, like if I am making videos, in spite of this I am receiving criticism, you are not speaking well, your accent is not good, and you are wasting your time, you have no idea how to tackle your students and how you can face your students. So these kinds of things can be in my mind, and I will receive from my society as well as environment. So what I have to do, just try to focus on it and just try to learn new things. If I will try to learn new things on daily basis, then it's easy for me to speak on regular basis. I shouldn't be fed up, I try again and again, and if I will be regular, if I will consistent, then it's easy for me to speak any part of my life. So all the time, if I am giving up myself, if I become fed up, then I am trying to motivate myself, because I know that English is not easy task, English is not my mother tongue, it's very tough language for me, but if I will try to indulge myself maximum, then it's very easy for me to come out from the difficult situation. So on daily basis, why I am taking new topics, why I am taking new challenges, because I wanted to improve myself. I wanted to speak more clear way. I wanted to improve in a better way. If I will indulge myself on regular basis, then I can do. If I have a lot of question in my mind, but I have no solution of that particular questions, I have no such kind of answers, then it's very tough for me to find out the solution of the questions or challenges that I am facing on regular basis. So on regular basis, I am trying to indulge myself, along with I am sharing my unique ideas with you, because every person have a different ideas, unique capabilities, unique thinking, and unique approach for improving yourself. But if you have a no unique approach, if you have a no different mentality, then you should adopt the strategy of this, and you should adopt different unique in your life, because your personality is unique, your ideas are unique, and you are the unique personality in this world. Lot of people came in your life, lot of people came in your society. They give you lot of new question, they will give you lot of new experience in the shape of hurdles, difficulties, problems, and lot of other things can be. But what we have to do, we just try to indulge ourselves, we have to motivate ourselves, and we should be regular on your particular skill. Like if I am talking about my skill, it's English speaking skill. My accent is not appropriate, but I am trying again and again. I try to motivate myself, and I try to indulge myself, and one day I have a strong belief on myself. One day I can speak like a native speaker. So it's all about for today. In next video we will talk another topic, another thing that can help you for promoting or growing yourself, particularly in English.